Hello everyone, myself Nikita Khande, and today my subject is object and class in Java. So first of all discuss about the object. In object oriented programming technique, we design the program using object and classes. An object in Java is the physical as well as logical entity. Whenever a class in Java is the logical entity only. What is the object in Java? An entity that has a state and behavior of the state and behavior is also known as object. Example: chair, bike, marker, pen, table. It can be physical or logical entity. The example of the logical entity is the banking system. An object is the three characteristic: state, behavior, and identity. First discuss about the state. State represent a state is used to the object behavior and such as deposit, withdraw, etc. Then behavior represent between of and the object such as deposit and without, etc. Then identity, an object is the identity is the typical implementation viva. Then unique code is the value of the id is external user. Example of the identity is a pen is the object. Then an object is the instance of a class. A class is a template of the blank from which object are created of a class. Then an object is a real world entity. An object is a runtime entity. The object is the entity which has a state and behavior. The object is an instance of a class. Then discuss about the class. What is a class? Class is a group of objects which have common property. It is a template or blueprint object created. Then it is a class. It is a logical entity, and class it can be physical. Then class it and Java contain. Class can have contain in a Java field, method, constructor, blocks, nested class, and interface. Then class is not a real world entity. It just like a terminate of the of your blueprint or a prototype from which object is everything. A Java is everything is a Java is an associated with the classes and object and attribute of the method. Class is a field, method, and block nested class is a logical entity. So this is all about by my side. Thank you all of you.